A model test is an opportunity for a photographer and a model to build their portfolios together. If you start in model testing, it's gonna open doors in the fashion photography field. The end result that needs to happen in a great model test is that that model looks their absolute best. When photographers fail at this, it's not because they're bad photographers. It's because they just don't know what agencies and agency-represented models really need. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn who to shoot and how to shoot them.
Okay, I think we might do a hair and makeup change at this point. Exactly. That arm can even yes, one foot bent that way and turn this foot this way.
You're gonna learn about working with modeling agencies to shoot quality models.
I love that because that lengthens your legs, which your agents will love, so bring that back out. Kick that foot. Good.
You're gonna see me shoot two different types of models. We're gonna take one model that's considered editorial.
Go for it. Yes.
And another model that's considered commercial.
So let's do that hand. Let's wrap it around your neck. And then we're gonna lean in and give me a little laugh. Perfect. Love that.
We're gonna use simple lighting, some natural light, some strobe.
And then you're gonna open up your body to me as you come in here. So let's try it. Perfect. Yes, perfect, good.
And simple camera techniques.
I love when I come lower with a model and they look like above me. It just exaggerates that.
To get the quality that you want in as fast as possible time.
Good. I think we've got that.
With this tutorial, you're gonna get my comprehensive posing guide. This is a great resource to see what types of poses agencies are gonna wanna see from a successful model test.
Oh, gosh, I love that.
I'm gonna give you an email template to send to modeling agencies. It's gonna have the right tone and the right language that's gonna increase your success rate. My favorite thing that you're gonna get from this tutorial is my top secret packing list. It's gonna make your process so much easier, and it's gonna give agencies exactly what they want. Whether your goals are to build a new portfolio, monetize model testing, or take that next step in your fashion photography career, these resources are foundational so that those things are easy, seamless, and quick for you.